we've got this body of ours that has all these systems: immune system, digestive system, circulatory system, respiration, lymphatic, thinking, relational, hormonal. What is often the dead giveaway that we are going past and our routine is harming us is we start to see one or many of these systems start to decline. And what that means is that the underlying survival stress, so this fight, flight, freeze, shutdown, is still super, super big. I'm being really basic here, big. There's still so much of it. So what we're doing in our daily routine is just managing. And so what occurs is this autonomic nervous system of ours, a quick little overview. Our autonomic nervous system has the fight, flight, and freeze and shutdown elements. That's our survival physiology. But the autonomic nervous system also governs our rest, digest, our connection, our hormonal release, the good stuff, like our ability to go to sleep at night, repair the body, all these things, connect with the world, be creative. And so if our system is so co-opted to the survival, all the system is doing is focusing on survival, and all these other organ systems are not getting repaired. This is where the chronic illness comes in. This is where the cancer comes in, because we're not killing things that shouldn't be, we're overproducing things that shouldn't be there and underproducing things that should be there. So it comes down really to what is happening to your body. And the thing is, if we don't have good, what's called interoception, so the perception of our internal environment, we might not know that something bad is happening until we get a diagnosis. And this is sadly what happens all too often in our current, we could say, Western society. We feel these little niggles. Oh, it's nothing. I might just be tired, or got this pain here. Oh, it's nothing. And then finally one wakes up one day and they can hardly move or get out of bed, and they get a really terrible diagnosis. I'm sure you know of some folks who have fallen into this. Maybe this is yourself, right? So another part of this work is getting more nuanced and differentiated in feeling what is bad and I have to deal with this, or this is just a sensation that needs to move through. And it takes time. It takes time to get to that level of discernment. As we get more regulated in our nervous system, we get better at knowing exactly what we need: food, people, environment, work, career, right? When to rest, when to be active. But when we're in survival physiology, all we see is what we would call red. It's like everything is danger.